hello guys. Before I do the introduction, guys, I want to do a small confession about what happened to my eyes. Just look at my eyes. One side of my eyes. Yeah. I started laughing already. Wait, let me do my confession. Are you the one to confess for me? Let me confess my sin to my subscribers. Huh? After all, okay, you subscribe to my channel, right? Okay, you are part of my subscribers. Yes, let me confess what happened to my face and my eyes that is red now. I drank too much yesterday night. Hey, the kind of drink I booze. So that was why everything is affected, everything about my system, my eyes. You can see my eyes is red, guys. So that is the reason why. So I have confessed. So what do you think I can take to clear the reddish, the eye reddish? What do you think I can take? What do I take? Coke. I want to drink again. No, I will drink again. We are in the Easter. I will keep on drinking. So guys, right now, let me not doing the introduction. Let's now we are going to waterfall. Yes, in Kwahu. They say is at somewhere called Tafo. I don't know that Tafo is also in Kwahu because in Kumasi magazines like Swami side we have Tafo. In Kumasi have a Tafo, but I don't know that we have Tafo here too. So guys, we are going to the waterfall to see how the waterfall looks like here in Kwahu. I promise you guys, I'm going to show you everything here happening here in Kwahu, guys. So I'm going to show you everything, guys. So just keep watching. You can see who are the people coming with escorts. Who are the people? The people coming with the escorts.
I think the president.
The president. Wow, the president is coming, guys. Look at. He's here already.
Yeah.
Wow, guys, the president is in. The president of Ghana is in. Yes. So in today's video, guys, I will be taking you to waterfall. Just take a look at that place, guys. Yeah, because the election is coming, it's fast approaching, guys.
Honorable.
Because the election is fast approaching, so the president is in, guys. So this is how the work for the election is going on right now. Yes, the president is in, and this is how everything is going, guys. As you can see, it's moving forward fast. It's moving, guys. Everything is Kwahu Easter. Kwahu Easter. Kwahu, guys. So the president is here. Is it the president or the MP? The vice? Okay, guy, forgive me. He's the vice president. If I was saying that he's president, he's the vice president, guys. The vice president, Bawumia, right? So the vice president Bawumia is here, guys. Yes. So as you can see, it's moving, guys. As you can see, guys, how everything is going. The work for the elections, the Ghana election 2024. This is how it's moving, guys, and it's so amazing. It's very, very amazing, guys. As you can see, guys. Drop in the comment section how what you think about what is going on over here, guys. So the vice president is here. You can see a lot of people are happily doing the work, the peaceful work. You can see what is being written on their cards they are holding. Some are written the gentle way of paying your something like you can see the work, how everybody are, a lot of people are here, a lot of people are here for the work, for the peaceful work. Yes, through the Easter. It's because of the election, right? Okay. And as well, the Easter season is also here, and the people you can see a lot of people are joyfully doing this. Yes, in respect of the Ghana elections that is coming. Yes, and everybody are very happy doing this, guys. You can see a lot of people are here doing the peaceful work. Yes. So guys, this is so amazing. This is very, very amazing, guys. This is how this is moving. This is so very, very amazing, guys. It's very, very amazing. Here in Kwahu, happening live in Kwahu Easter. Kwahu Easter time. Kwahu Easter 2024. So guys, this is how so remember you are watching from Kwahu. Yes, you are watching live in Kwahu. Yes, as the Easter celebration is good moving, and also about the election that is coming. Election. So because of the copyright issues, I think I will. You can see traffic everywhere because of this walk. You can see everywhere is choked down. So let me take you. We are going to the waterfall. You know, as we were going and we saw the amazing walk going on as the Vice President of Ghana is in. So let's keep going to where we are planned initially to go, which is the waterfall. Let me we won't be able to see car going to the waterfall because of this there's a lot of traffic. You can see the traffic. You can see the traffic is so huge. Because of the traffic, We couldn't get the car to the waterfall, but we will go to the waterfall. We still go. So we must see the car going there. So catch you up in the next video, guys, so that you watch how the waterfall in Tafo here in Kwehu in Easter period looks like. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so anytime I post a video you get notified and watch.